Good morning, children. Welcome back to our English class. Today's video, I'll briefly explain you the third chapter, C reading of Unit 2, VVS Lakshman, very special. So, this is an interview between the sports star correspondent and VVS Lakshman, the veteran cricketer, Indian cricketer VVS Lakshman. So, this is an interview. You can see the interview script in your textbook. So, interview is one of the discourses you have to study for the examination purpose. So, in interview we have an interviewee and a viewer. So, here we have a sports star correspondent and VVS Lakshman in these two places. So, we have to prepare the questionnaires and the answers expected for the questions in the form of a question answer format. It is what is called interview. I am talking about the interview discourse. In real life, we have to prepare some questions to be asked to the person, and we have to raise the question and they will answer to the question. That is the interview in the real practical life. So, here VVS Lakshman shares few important points with the correspondent of Sports Star in the interview, and that is given as a lesson for you to study for this year, class 9, unit 2, the C reading, VVS Lakshman, very special. So, his full name is, as you know, Vengipurappu Venkata Sai Lakshman. He is from Andhra Pradesh, present Telangana, and he was born to the parents who were doctors. His father and mother, both of them are doctors, and their plan or desire was to make him a doctor, to get another doctor for the family. But his interest or his taste was towards sports or towards cricket. He wanted to become a cricketer. So, even then his parents supported him, they inspired him, they encouraged him to achieve his goal, that is to become a good cricketer. So, his parents, his father and mother, they supported him. Same way, the Hyderabad Cricket Association also encouraged him to come to the level as a international cricketer. He played a number of matches, both in one day and test cricket for India, and he has scored centuries, 50s and so on. So, at present he is a retired cricketer, or we can say he is a veteran cricketer. This interview was done years back with the Sports Star correspondent and VVS Lakshman. So, here he shares his motto of life, or his aim in life is to work hard and to accept the success and failure in same manner. So, in the last two chapters, True Height, What is a Player, the poem, we have seen what are the good qualities a good sportsman should have, or a good sports person should have. So, one of the qualities to accept the failure and the success in same. So, this success and failure are the two sides of a coin. So, when we succeed, when we become victors, don't be overjoyed, and when we face failure, don't disappointed. From our failures, we have to learn our mistakes and we have to go forward to the success during our next effort, second effort or third effort. It should be the quality of a good sportsman. So, same motto is followed by our VVS Lakshman in his life, and he recollects the supports and inspiration given by his parents, his family members, including his wife and children, and his friends and other relatives, all. So, with this inspiration and support and encouragement, he was able to reach that level as an international cricketer. And same time, he remembers the support given by his teammates like Sourav Ganguly, Sachin Tendulkar, MS Dhoni, and the coach John Wright, and so on. So, because of support and help of all these people, he says his achievement was made possible. So, as we have seen the poem, The Deccan Kangaroo, I have told you, to live in this world, we need the help of many other people. We cannot achieve anything alone. We cannot achieve anything only because of our effort. We need the support. We need the encouragement. We need the help of many people around us. So here he remember with gratitude about support extended by his teammates, given by his family members and his friends. So this encouragement, support given by his people around him made him to achieve this great success in his life. So he recollects it with gratitude. So this is the main content of this interview. So he says that about Indian cricket, the Indian cricket did not come to the present stage within one day or one month. It came to the present level, to the world ranking, present ranking level with a number of years. So many people, many players had a great role to make India a strong team in the world of international cricket. So he remembers the efforts given by many players, starting from the first team who won the first World Cup led by Kapil Dev, right from that till the present team. The different players who contributed a lot to make the Indian team a international one. So he remembers it. So that is the main content or the point in this interview between this Sports Star correspondent and VVS Lakshman. So I would like to share a few words with you. It's called leap, progress, culminated, ended, reckoning, consideration, traits, qualities, cuisine, dish. So I hope you might have understood the brief summary of the lesson. I'll be back with the next chapter in the next video. Till we meet next time, goodbye.